That's a little girl.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Katrina. I make motherhood, organization, and going to be making hair videos. So this is the first one where I've changed my intro. You have some stuff to look forward to. You'll have to pardon the lawnmower sounds and the car sounds. I am outside on my patio because it is a beautiful day and I want to take advantage of this beautiful day. But we do live in a city, so there is noises. Today's video is 5 things that we tidy before we go to bed. I briefly touched on closing down our home in another video. I will link that video down below. And I wanted to kind of elaborate on that for you guys so that you understand what I mean by that. Number 1 is Elise's play area. I will try and tidy the play area with Elise before she goes to bed, but that doesn't always happen, or she'll tidy it with me and then she'll take something out right before bed. She's a toddler. So before we go to bed, I make sure that her area is tidy. Things like books are back in the shelf, ordered nicely. Loose toys are organized back into their boxes or baskets. I really find having specific homes for the toys really helps to keep the clutter down, as well as we do a toy rotation about every 2 weeks, which again helps keep the cluttering down because there's only a few toys out at a time rather than all of her toys out and she just throws it all over the floor. Also, if you haven't hit the like button yet, it's right down there. The next one is a pretty big one, and that is to close down the kitchen for the night. It really helps me in the morning when I wake up to a clean kitchen and I can just start making breakfast and do things right away, and I don't have to be concerned about having to wash Elise's dishes for breakfast or having to wash a bib or having to wash a fork or whatever. So closing down the kitchen looks like filling the dishwasher and starting it, hand washing those dishes that can't go in the dishwasher, wiping down all the counters. Now this one is a very big one for me because we have white counters, so I really like to have the counters wiped down. Cleaning your stovetop, emptying your sink strainers, because if you have kids, you know that food gets in dishes and all that and it ends up in the sink, and so cleaning your sink strainers every night. If your appliances like your fridge or your oven or dishwasher or whatever need to have like a quick wipe down, just do a quick one. And once a week I will do a pretty deep clean of the sinks because I want to make sure that our sinks don't smell, because to me sinks smell really easily, so that's something that I really try to make sure that we do. Also, FYI, Nick does most of the kitchen closing at the end of the night. Number 3, the couch. This one is really important because usually there's a pillow or 2 or multiple if you really like pillows that need to be fluffed. The couch cushions need to be reset because they fall down depending on the type of couch that you have. And removing all the toys, making sure there's no toys in between the cushions. So yeah, just setting up the couch so that it is fresh and ready for the next day. For us it's really important, especially because we have a condo, so our area is quite small. So the couch is a big area of our home. Number 4 is to put away the clothes in your dump spots. If you don't have a dump spot of clothes in your bedroom or bathroom or wherever, congratulations. But this is something that I personally struggle with, is to put my clothes actually away at the end of the night. Sometimes throughout the day I might make a change or 2, and so clothes kind of just end up on the floor beside my bed. So making sure no clothes are on the floor, in the bathroom, on any chairs, on the bottom of closets, hooks. My goodness. Anyways, number 5. Another plane? There's a bunch of little planes that are flying around. Number 5. That's 10. 5. Take out the garbage, recycling, compost, whatever you have in your city. We live in a condo, so we have kind of like that communal area of recycling, compost, and garbage. So we try to take one out per day at least. Sometimes it'll depend and 2 will land on the same day. Garbage for us doesn't really fill up as fast. We do compost and recycle a lot of things, but making sure to take one of those out once the day is over, so that really just helps to limit the amount of things that we have to do in a day. A little review: 1, clean up our toddler's toys. 2, close down the kitchen. 3, tidy up the couch. 4, put away clothes from dump spots. And 5, take out garbage, recycling, compost. These are the things we do right before bed so that everything is ready for the next day. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and I will see you in the next video for next week.